ready to swing into the jungle with Lipapa info as we explore 10 amazing and unknown facts about monkeys, with fun cartoon animations and surprising monkey moments you've never seen before. 1. Monkeys can use tools like humans. Monkeys, particularly capuchins, have been observed using tools like stones to crack open nuts or sticks to extract insects from tree bark. This ability to manipulate objects to solve problems is a sign of their intelligence, similar to human tool use. 2. They communicate with facial expressions and sounds. Monkeys use a range of facial expressions and sounds to communicate with each other, conveying emotions and intentions. They can signal danger, express affection, or show aggression through their faces, body language, and vocalizations. 3. Some monkeys can swim. While most mammals avoid water, some species of monkeys, like proboscis monkeys and macaques, are excellent swimmers. They use their swimming skills to cross rivers, escape predators, or find food in aquatic environments, showcasing adaptability. 4. Monkeys groom each other to show friendship. Grooming is an important social activity among monkeys. While it helps with cleanliness, it's also a way for them to strengthen bonds and show affection. Through grooming, monkeys build trust and maintain peaceful relationships within their group. 5. A group of monkeys is called a troop. Monkeys typically live in groups known as troops, which offers safety and social structure. Troops work together to find food, protect each other from predators, and care for their young, ensuring the survival and well-being of the group. 6. Howler monkeys are the loudest monkeys. Howler monkeys are known for their incredibly loud calls that can be heard from miles away. These vocalizations are used to establish territory and communicate with other groups of howlers, helping them assert dominance in dense forests. 7. Pygmy marmosets are the smallest monkeys. Pygmy marmosets are tiny creatures, measuring just around 5 inches tall, making them the smallest monkeys in the world. These adorable primates are found in the rainforest of South America, where they live in the dense foliage and feed on insects and sap. 8. Monkeys can recognize themselves in mirrors. Some species of monkeys, such as rhesus macaques, are capable of recognizing themselves in a mirror. This self-awareness, a trait once thought to be exclusive to humans and some animals, suggests a high level of cognitive complexity in these monkeys. 9. Monkeys eat a lot more than just bananas. While bananas are a popular food in the media, monkeys actually have a varied diet. They consume a wide range of foods, including leaves, fruits, flowers, insects, and even eggs or small animals, depending on what is available in their environment. 10. Spider monkeys don't have thumbs. Unlike most monkeys, spider monkeys lack thumbs, which may seem like a disadvantage. However, their long, prehensile tails and strong fingers allow them to easily grasp branches and swing gracefully through the trees, a key to their survival in the wild.
Hi everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to check out the next video. Until then,